Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did
The chicken cross the road.
the chicken cross the road? Maybe you see rice across now.
At this point now, I need you to be realistic. Who are the 5 top comedians in Nigeria right now that you love most and your reasons?
5 top comedians.
That you think they are funny most and your reasons.
MOP is number 1, yeah. I like to listen to myself. I like to watch myself. You know, I like the angle where my creativity comes from. And so MOP is number 1 on that list. My number 2 is going to be Acapella. Reason is that he has a shortcut to making his jokes. He always has a shortcut on how to hit his punchlines without boring you, without making you wait for so long. And then his one-liner is one of the best in Nigeria, unarguably. You know, one of the best in Nigeria with one-liner jokes. When I mean one-liner, I mean jokes that are hitting you in seconds. You know, how he creates his jokes, the way he thinks, you know, the way where he calls his materials from, it's amazing. Sometimes it looks impossible, but when he gives you the joke out of it, you're wowed, you know. So Acapella is number 2 on that list. Number 3 on that list is Basketmouth. Basketmouth has been my role model from the day I decided to be a stand-up comedian. Someone that I look at how he walks, how he behaves, how he talks. Everything about him is golden to me. It's precious. I adore him up till tomorrow. You know. So everything about him is good for me. Everything that he does is good for me, you know. Basketmouth, the way he does his delivery, the calmness, he's sure that this is going to hit you well, you know. His composure, his mannerism, and his materials are very, very relatable, you know. So Basketmouth is number 2 on that list. And then Bovi, very, very intelligent. He's not a freestyle person. He's always rehearsed for whatever he does. He always synchronizes whatever he does and makes sure they come out well. So that is one thing I like about Bovi. He's not somebody that you just want to do something for doing sake. He's planned and he comes out and he gives you 100% of what you asked for. And then number 3 on the list, best comedians. Okay, I have 3 people already. I have 4. I have MOP, Basketmouth, Acapella, Bovi. So one more person, yeah. There are many. I'm trying to choose the best out of them. Laughing Gas, you might not know him. He's a comedian based in Owerri, done international stuff, you know. His name is Laughing Gas. I met him when I was in Imo State University. He was in Federal University of Technology Owerri, Futo. You know, he cracks me up every time. He's my friend. He's a senior colleague, and it wows me how I burst into laughter every time I watch him perform. Like, I feel I know him so well to have known everything about him that I shouldn't be laughing too much when he's performing, but it gets me every time. His materials are out of this world. He's an international comedian. He's a comedian that can perform on any platform. He's not scared of the microphone. He goes on stage and he does excellent. He's good with different languages. I mean, you need to check him out. Laughing Gas, check him on Instagram.
Fine, Laughing Gas, we're coming for you.
Yeah. That's my 5 top comedians here.
What should we be expecting from you next, Joe?
More shows, big platforms, international stages, content, skits. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of skits right now. a whole lot of funny stuffs, contents basically, more shows, especially of every big stage that you see, coming there to kill people, crack them up in comical way.
Since you said you're going to be doing the funny jokes now, let me ask you this question. It is very funny, and this is the last question.
Okay.
Okay. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did
The chicken cross the road?
the chicken cross the road?
Yeah.
Maybe you see rice across now. Maybe where person they go now, where you go see food chop, Maybe you see rice across. Maybe one woman rice don't pour. And chicken cross the road.
That's nice. It's been an exclusive interview with you. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for having me.